Hey you guys, what is up? It's Andrea and welcome back to another Peachybbies restocking video. I'm so excited that you guys are here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love you very much. I did take a little bit of a break because I was feeling pretty under the weather. So my mom actually took over the store for me. She planned all of the slimes. The stuff that you're seeing is actually stuff she came up with. Go thank her in the comments. It would really make her day. All of my socials and the link to peachybbies.com if you guys want to shop the video, because we do actually have some stuff still in stock or things that people have canceled the orders for. We've relisted down below. Moving on to a slime that my mom actually came up with the idea for. I'm not gonna lie, I'm just gonna talk about how amazing my mom is, but I'm so proud of her for this because I did not know if this slime would turn out well. I wasn't quite sure when she pitched me the idea, but then she made it, and you know what? I take everything back. This is now one of my favorite slimes. This is the wild berry cream slime. The white side is scented like cream cheese, and the blue side is scented like a wild berry kind of smell. Mix them together, it smells like a wild berry cheesecake. I am kind of in love with it because if you know me, you know cheesecake is also up there with my top favorite food. So it comes sectioned half and half in a container, and then there are those purple beads on top just to give it a little bit of a pop of color. And then this one is a classic Peachybbies cloud cream texture. Next we have the Jawbreaker Clouds. So I feel like, okay, show of hands in the comments. Comment down below if you know what a Jawbreaker candy is. If you don't, a little bit a description of it. It's a really hard candy kind of shaped like gumballs. That is what this one is themed after. So this one is a classic white cloud cream base scented like a Jawbreaker. So it smells like a sweet sugar candy with a little bit of a sour tang to it. It's really yummy. Next we have a classic OG favorite. This one is Berry Blueberry Cereal. So this one is related to if you've seen my Carnival Berry slime or the classic Captain Crunch slime. It's the same idea, it's just berry scented. I really love all of them, but I'm definitely into the berry smells right now. So this one is a classic thick cream cheese base, and it is scented like berry cereal, and then it's topped off with a very blue mix of big foam beads for the cereals. A perfect go-to if you're not quite sure what to get, but you want something that you know is going to be amazing. It's really clicky because you get the cereal base, but you also get the best of both worlds because those beads are really crunchy. And next we have something that I actually made literally last summer of 2017, and then I never brought back because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this tie-dye, what you're seeing right now, that comes in every single container, and it is so hard to do, especially when you're making a lot of them. So I don't bring the tie-dyes back often, but when I do, they are always a hit. They are always the most stunning, definitely some of my favorites. So this one is the pineapple tie-dye. There is a mix of yellow, blue, and green tie-dye in this one, and if you're wondering what it turns into, no, it doesn't turn ugly. It's actually super pretty once you've mixed it all together. It turns into a really pretty bright lime color. So this one obviously is pineapple scented, like a fresh chunked pineapple. I love it, but you guys know that I love pineapple scents, so I might be a little bit biased in my favoritism for the love of anything pineapple. It is a really soft and holdable butter slime texture. Also, I would love to know what other kind of tropical tie-dyes can you think of? I feel like I might bring some back this summer. Definitely in limited quantities though, because like I said, these ones are pretty difficult to do, but so worth it. Next, another OG favorite. You guys keep begging me to bring this one back. This is Sour Green Apple Sucker. So, if you don't know what it is, a quick little rundown because I don't want to bore all of you guys who already know. you know what's up. You know what sour green apple sucker is. This one is a super, super glossy, clear based slime that has an amazing sour green apple scent. Kind of like the green Jolly Ranchers. If you've ever seen one of those, it's basically the same thing but in slime form. Then it is a really pretty, like, bright neon green color. So you can't go wrong with the classic sour green apple sucker. I heavily recommend this slime. I feel like most anybody I have showed this slime to is absolutely obsessed with it, so it also makes a pretty great gift as well. And then we also have a bunch of new Mochi Squishies in. Nothing gets me more excited than a good Mochi Squishy. And you guys, there are so many different ones right now. Like, I love them. I am living for them. And then we have 2 new kinds of sprinkles to the shop. So these are amazing if you maybe made a slime that you feel like is a little bit boring, or if you want to shake it up, be a little bit wild, and buy one of these to add to one of my slimes. And then finally, we have another new slime. This is called the Summer Strawberry Icee, also known as the Strawberry Lychee Icee. We changed it because some people weren't familiar with what a lychee was. So the scent for this one, first of all, is a really sweet strawberry scent, and it is a classic icy texture. So it's really soft, really spreadable, very similar to a cloud cream, but with a different base. And that is it for the video. I really hope that you guys got a chance to order from the restock. Like I said, there are a few things left in the store from cancellations and things like that. So definitely get your hands on some while you can. Peachybbies.com or link down below. I absolutely love you. Thank you so much for watching this video. It means the world to me. I really appreciate you guys so much. If you want to hang out with me after this video is over, I will be in the comments for the first hour, and then after that I will probably be on the Peachybbies Insta or, you know, around on any of my social medias, so definitely go check those out. After this, I'm going to be linking a little bit of a preview of the new ItsAxdrea video that I just posted. I know some of you guys might not have seen it because I posted it on a Tuesday, which is a little bit different for me, but here are some of my absolute favorite parts from that video in case you guys want a little bit of a preview, want a little bit of a teaser before you guys go and click through and check it out. But, you know, figured I'd include that because, no joke, it was kind of the best and the worst video I've ever made in my life.
Are you making cubes? This is so predictable. That one wasn't a cube, Stephanie. Cut more neatly. What? Did you get that?
I have a thing that I want to say. Stop! I like that your method is just like put it on the table and hit it and just hope that you hit the tin foil. It's a great method to go by. Definitely nothing bad could happen that way.
That was smart.
See, I hold mine, and that's how I get a nice round shape.
Could you not mock me while I'm hammering?
That would probably be for the best.
I hate you so much right now. I'm not cleaning that up.
That's not what I thought would happen.
That's not what was supposed to happen! wasting time. But I didn't mean for it to happen. In the videos, okay, in my last video, you just like squeeze it and then the water comes out and the glitter falls off.